Hi, I'm Alicia Wilkinson and I'm Ames campus representative. Today I'm here at Ames's Automotive and Technology Center here on the Windsor campus. In this building, we hold the collision repair, master auto services, and master auto diesel degrees, as well as other related certificates. Let's skedaddle and go take a look. Here in the lobby is our job board, which auto students can take a look at job opportunities that are in their related field across Northern Colorado communities. Over here is our Skills USA banner, in which a competition our students take part in and regularly bring home the gold. Check out the toolbox area while you're here. Every student who completes an auto degree at Ames will graduate with a full set of Snap-on tools and toolbox, included in student tuition, and is valued at $6,800. When students leave Ames prepared for a successful career with the technical tools and the actual tools to make sure the job gets done. Our automotive students are still required to take general education classes, such as English, math, and science. Great part is they could do it all here in this building, which is nice because this is also our science lab and a computer lab.
Here we are in the Automotive Simulator Lab, where students get to work on all the systems of a car without actually working on the car. It's a full car on a table. So the instructor sits at the front of the room and controls all of the systems here. As you can imagine, this is a very fun and sometimes challenging room. Here we are on the collision repair side of things, where students will find all the tools and equipment necessary to work on the body of a car. They'll also gain skills necessary to achieve iCar student certification in non-structural analysis and damage analysis, painting and refinishing, and structural analysis and damage repair. We also have 2 state-of-the-art paint booths, and students actually get to practice with virtual reality first before they get to paint on an actual car. And we have our very own welding shop. And here we have the prized possession of the Ames Full Throttle Club, which is a student-run club that not only works on this race car, but does community service and fundraising projects, and even races at Vandermeer Speedway sometimes. Any Ames student can join this club. Here in the service bay, students learn to develop their diagnostic skills using a variety of new vehicles and advanced shop equipment. Did I mention Snap-on tools? More importantly though, they learn from instructors with real-world experience.